Hi, this is Dr. Sara from Elara Orthodontics, and this is Kara, our amazing dental assistant. Today, she's going to review with you how to brush and floss with braces.
All right, well, let's start with brushing. So first, you're going to want to take your toothbrush, have a little bit of your toothpaste on it, and what you're going to want to do is angle your toothbrush on top of your brackets, and you're going to want to circle brush. Get your gum line, go all the way across, circle on top of your brackets, and then you're going to angle your toothbrush upwards and get down underneath your brackets. And once you complete that whole way around your mouth, then you're going to go on top of your brackets and circle motion again. Brushing your teeth should take about 2 minutes. You're going to want to do 1 minute on the top and 1 minute on the bottom. So what you do on top, you're also going to do on the bottom. All right, so the next thing that I want to show you guys is our different flossing techniques. So first up, we are going to have our super floss here. Super floss has a pointy end that goes into the floss itself. Easy way to use this. This one goes right between the brackets and then up and underneath the wire, and you'll just floss like normal here and then pull that out, and then you'll go on to the next one here, in under the wire, up into your gum line, and you'll floss like normal. The second one that we're going to have is, this is our floss threader. So this one is a little bit more trickier than the other one. This one has that loop at the end. You're going to thread your floss through here, kind of hold it where they both meet here. Oh. And then you'll take the pointy end of your floss threader and thread that underneath your wire. You have that here, and then you're just going to, again, floss like normal. Pull that out, and you'll go on to the next one again, under the wire, between the gums, flossing like normal, and pulling that out. In addition to the flossing, we have our little proxy brush here. This is just a little bit easier. It's not to take away from flossing, but it's to also help. You can just lightly thread that underneath your wire, get out any of the big chunks of food that we have in here, and then continue on with flossing.